Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add accountant to your Xero business, or how would I call it, in Xero invoicing. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is I'll just click to my organization, and when I'm here I will simply click on settings. In settings I will go to users, and right here I can simply click invite a user. And you just add here like first name, last name, whatever. But this is where it's really important. Now, you have option to choose the projects. How much access do they need? So you can add them like as admin. So the accountant has in project, or you don't need to allow it to projects. And you can go to business and accounting. And as you can see, you can have the standard. And you can simply choose what the accountant actually needs. And you can also like consult it with the accountant. So okay, advanced accounting features. So if he needs reports, publish reports and select load dates. Also, if you don't want him around your bank account and stuff like that, you can go read only, but it's like really up to which one you choose. But this is how you can add accountant, and then you just like simply send invite. And you got it. So thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.